Hello, my name is Mr. Piano. This is where the music starts. We're going to learn boy on a bicycle. If you were here for our last video, we learned girl on a bicycle. This one is basically switched. So now we have the scale in our left hand, right? The left hand has a 5-finger scale. Our thumb is going to be on G, okay? Left hand thumb is going to be on G below middle C. Let's find our right hand position. Our right hand thumb is going to be on treble C. This is middle C. And we'll call this treble C. Thumb here and pinky on G. Let's look at the left hand again. We play 5, step up to 4, step up to 3, step up to 2, step up to 1, step down 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. So it's going to continue this pattern. We're going to go up to 1, only reading the first line, and we'll stop on G. And remember, your thumb is on G below middle C, okay? 5, then 4, stepping up to 4, stepping up to 3, stepping up to 2, stepping up to 1, and then we turn around, we go back down. Remember, your right hand thumb is going to be on treble C. Middle C is here. Treble C. So we play 1, 2, 3. So then we're going to skip up to 5 after holding for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then what do we do next? Are we going down or up? We're skipping down. 5. And then skipping back up. 1, 5. Skipping down to 1. Up to 5. Hands together. Ready, and. Did I start too fast? I'm on measure 4. 1, 2, 3, and stop. In the last 2 measures, we have our familiar 1 and our familiar 5. And we'll go back down to 1, skipping back down to 1, and hold for 4. Play the right hand. Last 2 measures. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the left hand now. Remember that our left hand thumb is going to be on G below middle C. Yes, indeed. So 5 is the first note, yes. Do you see the numbers beneath here? 5, 3, 1, 3, 5. So here we're skipping from 5 to 3. 5, 3. And then skipping from 3 to 1. 3, 1. Let's play that. 5, 3, 1. Good. And then back down to 3. And then 5 for 4 beats. So let's play this whole thing. Starting here. 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4. Let's play those last 2 measures together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again, a little slower. 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? All right, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and looking forward to seeing you next time. Happy practicing.